when the world is barely waking. I hear your heartbeat whispering every dream that we've been making. You turn the simple into magic with the stories that you weave, and every chapter that you write reminds the world how to believe. Oh, queen of love stories, you're the hope we never lose. You paint the sky with miracles in every word you choose. You lift the broken hearted, give the lonely strength to try. You remind us there is beauty even tears can't hide.